Hello dear traders. Before proceeding to the description of the trading strategy, which is based on such technical indicators as moving averages, fractals and oscillators, in particular the MACD and Stochastic, we need to understand the main aspects of trading that we as traders will rely on when entering the market. The first thing to note is that every trader needs to decide what factors will influence the decision to make a trade. For example, fundamental or technical. Or perhaps the trader will combine both technical and fundamental factors in his trading strategy. Second, the trader must clearly understand whether he will hold open trading positions for a long time, that is more than one trading day, or whether he plans to trade intraday. In general, there are a lot of such criteria, but you can only decide on them after you get some experience in trading in financial markets. The only thing that should be noted is that most traders will open and close trades within one trading day or one trading session. At the same time, most traders use technical indicators in their trading. Therefore, I decided to record another training video course in which I will tell you not only how to use technical indicators separately, but also how you can confirm the received trading signals from one indicator to another. This will allow you, as a trader, to significantly reduce the number of false trading signals. The trading video course will be structured as follows. First, I will tell you how you can trade using only trading levels, for the definition of which we will use a technical indicator, such as fractals. Next, we will add the three moving averages with a period of 20, 50 and 200 to the price chart, after which the MACD and Stochastic oscillator will act as an additional filter. But before using these technical indicators, I will tell you how they are built and what changes in their parameters lead to, which in turn will allow you to experiment and as a result choose the most suitable parameters for your trading strategy. Because for different financial instruments, and even more so for different time periods, it is necessary to use different parameters of technical indicators. But we will talk in more detail about the mechanism of preparing each individual technical indicator in the following video lessons.